Happy Monday, fourth graders. Today is Monday, April 6th. Remember that you only have work Monday and Tuesday of this week, and then your spring break starts. Here's what is up for today. First of all, do not forget to do your morning check-in under the tab called Just Checking In. Make sure you fill that out so I know how you're doing today and what you might need help with. For math, your Unit 7 test is posted. When you go to the math tab, you'll see Unit 7 test, and it is in Elluminate, just like we do in class. So you go and you enter your FUSD email, and you should be taken to the test. You have today and tomorrow until 1:30 p.m. to finish it. So tomorrow at 1:30. Today we'll go over the review at our Zoom 11 o'clock meeting. And then tomorrow we're having a Tuesday whole class Zoom meeting at 2 o'clock to go over the test. So we don't usually have whole class on Tuesday, but we will this week just so you can go over the test and see how you did before you go on spring break. If you haven't finished the test by the time we do that 2 o'clock meeting tomorrow, I will not allow you into the meeting since we'll be going over the answers. There are also 2 extra resources posted under the math tab if you finish the test early. So let's go look at those. So when I go to math, so right here, optional math project, and then extra math practice, April 6th and 7th. So both of these you can work on anytime at your own pace. They're just if you finish the test or anytime that you want extra math practice. All right, so this one, when we look at it in Google Slides, you'll notice that every page has different standards, and the last one on every page is geometry. We have not done our geometry unit yet. That's Unit 8, which we will do after spring break. So you can skip this one for now when you work on this math review. And then this one is just a kind of fun math project that reviews everything you've learned so far in fourth grade. So both of these are really good extra practice. ELA, check the pacing guide. Make sure you're looking at that every day. So today we're not on week 3 anymore. So we'll make this gray. And then you're on week 4. You only have Monday, Tuesday. So ELA, you're reading the first part of Oregon Trail and annotating. So main idea and details, you're on your own for that. And then writing. So writing is different this week since you only have 2 days. So let's take a look at writing, and notice it says this week you're only writing in slides 3 through 10 because this is a long Google slide. So when we go look at it, so it's a pandemic journal. So I said that this week we're taking a break from benchmark writing. You are all a part of living history right now. So when you guys are grown-ups, your children or anybody younger than you is going to ask you what life was like right now during COVID-19 and coronavirus. So you guys are historians in the making. So this journal is your opportunity to write down memories and ideas. It's like a virtual digital scrapbook that we'll work on throughout the rest of the year. But for this week, I only want you to type a response in slides 3 through 10. Okay, because when we look at it, it has a ton of slides. You can put your name here. This has nothing to write in. It's just like a table of contents. And then slides 3 through 10 all have different prompts. I know you guys can't see the numbers because they're cut off, but you'll see it when you look at it on yours. So I'm going to stop at slide 10 for this week. All right, there's different sections and we're only doing those ones for this week. And I said that you may, there's no limit to how much you write. So you can fill up all the space provided or a little bit. What I don't want you to do is add extra slides because then that's going to change the number of slides and it'll mess you up when I tell you which number of slides to do. So it is still writing, so make sure you're using proper grammar and punctuation and complete sentences, unless of course the prompt says that you don't need complete sentences. All right, and social studies, no new assignment for this week, but some of you still have last week's to finish and turn in. You can go back and look at your grade because I corrected those. You may have missed points for not answering incomplete sentences or not explaining your thinking. So go back and look at those, and if you haven't done it yet, you need to get it done. All right, so first thing you need to do today is math. Unless you're waiting for our Zoom to see the math review, otherwise get started on your math test. All right, I'll see you all at 11. Bye.